Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share how I created these beautiful resin, sea-themed key tags. These are actually a special order for Teachers' Day from Australia, sent as gifts to the teachers of NTS in Madakalapuwa. For this project, I'm using resin with a 2:1 mixing ratio. I carefully measured both parts and mixed them really well. I first mix some beach sand with resin. This creates a natural sandy base for each key tag. Then I poured this mixture evenly into my silicone key tag molds. Next, I divided the clear resin into 2 portions. To one portion, I added blue mica powder and blue alcohol ink. To the other, I added green mica powder with green alcohol ink. The green shade represents the shoreline, while the blue creates the depth of the ocean. I carefully poured the green resin above the sand, followed by the blue resin, blending them together for a natural sea effect. After waiting about an hour, the resin thickened slightly. This was the perfect time to add mini. These little details bring the ocean theme to life inside each key tag. After about 12 hours, the resin was cured. I used UV resin mixed with white powder to create bubble effects to add more realism. Finally, I poured a clear resin top coat to seal everything in and give a glossy finish. After leaving it for another day to fully cure, the key tags were ready to demold. Once demolded, I trimmed away any excess resin and made the edges smooth and neat. For the keychain attachment, I used a hand drill to clear small holes. Then I added the key rings and chains to complete the design. Now they are fully finished and ready to be gifted. And here's the final result. Beautiful handmade, sea-themed resin key tags. What do you think? Aren't they gorgeous? If you enjoy these kinds of resin art projects, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more creations. Thank you so much for watching.